Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you what to do if your Samsung Ecobubble washing machine displays the error code 4E, 4C or 4C2. Error codes on a washing machine's display screen alert you of any faults that have occurred with your appliance. If yours is displaying 4E, 4C or 4C2, it means there is an issue with the water supply. Not to worry though, because we can show you what to do to get to the bottom of the problem. If this error code is displayed on your machine, you won't be able to turn the machine off or on again for at least 3 minutes. After this, turn it off and then back on. If the error code is still displayed, then this is what you should do. Before carrying out any work, make sure your washing machine is turned off and fully disconnected from the mains. For this fix, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a towel to catch any water spillages. The first thing you need to do is to inspect the water inlet pipe. This is the pipe that connects the mains to the water inlet valve. Inspect it for any tears or kinks. If it is damaged, it will need to be replaced. Next, you need to check the small mesh inlet filter to see if it is clogged. This filter is used to sift out as many impurities from the water as possible and is particularly useful if you live in a hard water area. If the filter is clogged, you'll need to clean it with running water. If you've checked your water inlet pipe and the filter and they're both working correctly, then the problem will lie with the water inlet valve, which is located at the back of the machine here. And I'll show you how to replace that to get your washing machine up and running again. First, you're going to need to find the correct water inlet valve for your make and model of washing machine. To do this, you're going to need to find the model number. You can see our video here for help on where to find the model number for your appliance. There's also a link in the description below where you can find the correct water inlet valve. Now, sometimes the new valves do not come with this metal bracket here, so you'd need to take it off the old one and connect it to the new one. Once you've found the correct water inlet valve for your machine, you'll need to turn off the water supply to the machine and disconnect the water inlet pipe. You may need to use a towel to catch any water spillages. Next, you need to remove the top of the appliance by undoing the 2 screws at the top using your Phillips screwdriver. With the top off, you can see the water inlet valve here. Next, unscrew the 2 screws that keep the water inlet valve connected to the back panel. Once the screws are removed, you can disconnect the electrical connections from the valve. Before using a pair of pliers to disconnect the pipes from the valve as well. Put your towel down to catch any water spillages. Then using your pliers, pinch the Jubilee clips, move those up the hose and then twist and pull the hose off. And do that on both sides. Once the old inlet valve is removed, grab your new one. Fit the hoses onto the ends and then using your pliers reattach the Jubilee clips at the end of the hose. Connect your electrical connections and then screw it into the back of the machine. Replace the top panel onto the machine and refit the 2 screws. We hope this video has been useful in helping to replace the water inlet valve in your washing machine and to make sure the error code on your display is no longer showing. Now that your washing machine is up and running again, Why not make it as eco-friendly as possible by using these brilliant Ecoegg laundry eggs in your next wash instead of your normal detergent? These are made from plastic, so they're reusable and great for the environment. They are great for your skin and they come in 3 different fragrances, and they'll save you a heap of money as well. And you can find out more by watching our video down here. You can find out more about fixing and maintaining your household and garden appliances by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.